Hello everyone, I am Adarsh Jain. I secured All India rank 471 in CLAT and All India rank 126 in AILET. I was enrolled with CS 2-year program, which was very helpful throughout my journey. The best thing about CL was their mocks. I gave about 30 to 40 mocks for CLAT and 10 mocks for AILET, all of them which were very similar to the actual question papers. The analysis for the mocks was totally wonderful and it provided everything you needed to improve in your next mocks. The faculty was also amazing. I attended both offline as well as online classes. So I am very thankful to the faculties, be it for maths, for English, logical, legal, or GK. Also, the monthans, they were very helpful in my GK preparation, and especially the weekly ones, they provided everything you need for preparing for CLAT and AILET. Thank you.